Hello, and welcome back to the pet room. David Bradley here. Let me just check. Yep, my microphone is still lit up. All right. I know I've got to do a little something here with this light. Oh, that does not help. I actually had a light thing fall down here. It was on a thing, and I can only see part of it. It had a little clamp. Is this the part of the clamp? I don't know. That looks like it's been down there for a while. Maybe this was part of another one. Maybe. Or maybe not. Oh dear. I'm dropping things. Anyway, these lights are very handy because you can move them around. They are. Now, sorry. I didn't mean to be doing this. What happened? Oh, I think I just pulled another light out. So undoubtedly, it's getting darker in here. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, God. And now, oh, dear. It's funny how everything conspires against me at times. Okay, so the thing is on snug, and the wing nut. Good. The wing nut, I'm not sure if it has enough thread to get on there. Oh, I guess it does. But of course, as I twist it, the whole thing twists. And it came off. Okay, well, that's not happening. What happened? Oh, all I wanted to do was move. Okay, this light gotta go off. At some point, I will find the right thing in the right spot. Put that back. All right, so here's the thing I told you about where I had things. There's my solder sheet, which is the bottom of the VIC-20. There is my desoldering iron. So I'll put that up here too. The motor. Oh yeah, there's the little thing to hold the iron. I can go up here. Here's a hat from Hockey Night in Canada. And here are some sockets that may or may not be helpful. We'll see. Okay, so I think I told you that I have here the base of a chair. Oh god, this is heavy. This is heavy. Okay. 1541-2 can sit on the CDM2. This box for 128 that is empty. You know what? It could probably sit up there too. But it's not stable. Not stable here. There's a Commodore 64 in a box. And here is a box that is quite heavy. Oh, there. Wait a second here. Oh. Aha. Here's the light thing that fell. Maybe its spacing will be more friendly. I guess this other thing, I did have another light up here at one point. But it too, eventually, gravity took over. Let's see here. If this is more favorable. Oh, well, not really. Did I have it up there? I think I did. I think I did. I think I might have this light up here, clamped on tight. I thought I did. Okay, I'll try and undo this a little bit more. Okay, it is nicely in position. I'll give it a good thing, and then I'll pick this light up. This is the one that fell. I suppose as I'm tinkering on these things, I should keep an eye on if they're moving away from the edge or not. So this should go in there. It should go in there. And it does. Now, maybe I can turn it on. I can turn it on. Okay, there. A little light. Okay. So I think this chair and this box can just slide. I think they can. Now, over here, oh, there's another light. I should really think about getting this connected. And right here is this old pet. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Here's Freddy Krueger. Okay, I see already there's a flaw in my plan. Okay, this one here that has the... No, that's not the right case. That's not it at all. Never mind. Never mind. Wrong pet. No way. It's not happening. Okay. All right, it is time to find the plug for this 32K machine that I have found. Okay. All right. Now, as always, there is some level of clutter here. There is. All right, this pet is going over here. It is. Oh, boy, these are heavy little suckers. Anyway, I know this one works. All right, stretched out a bit. I'm trying to get it in position without messing with the tablecloth. Okay, it is in position. So now, this one, a chiclet pet, can slide some It can. And of course, there's always accessories around here. And for the moment, a bunch of them can sit inside of these. Oh, by the way, oh, sorry. You know what? This roll of stuff pesters me. It does pester me. So there. I did get a can of deoxit, and it all seems fine, but it's supposed to have this cute little tube so you can spray it out of, and it won't stay in. I did actually send a message to the company and say, "What up with that? What up with that?" All right. So, let's see here. Good RAM things. Okay. So, by that pet not working out, as to the targeted one, maybe this one needs to be targeted. So, we'll shuffle the phone. And we'll move a whole lot of books and manuals and stuff away from it. And not just that, there are two different adding machines in front of here. And a Commodore calculator. And another Commodore adding machine. Alright, I'm going to set that here for now. Now, the path to extraction is not clear. This whole pile needs to turn. And this needs to slide over. Okay. The path to extraction. Now, I'm going to try and peek this. Okay, there is a circuit board. Alright, that's a good thing. Alright. Okay. Now, this is the cord, this is the cord. Okay, carefully wrap the cord. Always, every step, kind of like a ballet, very carefully choreographed. I'm going to slide this one over a little bit more. At least I think I am. I think the foot is caught. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're up. We're moving. Okay. We're down. Okay. Alright. Oh, there's another 1701 there. 1702 down there. Now. So here is the circuit board I need to solder on. I'll set that here for this moment. Because this machine needs to get closed up and unplugged. Oh, well, that was not good. The cord was running through my phone charging cord. So if I just picked it up, that could have been bad. All right. All right. Do I have a clear shot here? Okay. Somewhat. This chair is pestering me. Okay. All right. Gently down. Gently down. It's very tight here. Now the other thing I should do is just look in here. Okay, there's just the screws there. That's okay. Okay. So now I should be able to get this in position, out of the way, and safe. Okay. And now, as it happens, I might have a place to unsolder that chip, because I now have 3 of these instead of 4 set up there. All right, so let me back up again. Look, so I see here, there's a small screen. Original pet. That's the dead BBS pet. Okay, so I think there's 1, 2, 3 that I have not looked at, and I know the circuit board is up there for one of them. Okay. So, this chair, okay, this can go back. And this chair can slide back. Oh. And some of this other stuff that I had the camera on. Go back before things fall. All right. All right, that's enough for now. I will ponder my next move. I guess what I kind of really, well, let me peek inside this pet here. See any notes? No. Is it fully populated? Yes. All right, well, I guess I gotta assess it. Anyway, thanks for coming to the pet room. I guess I need to come over. Oh. Okay. All right. Thanks for coming. It's always an adventure here. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now. David Bradley, signing off.